If you're seeing Premiere Pro export error code 4, the good news is that in most cases this is a storage issue, not a broken project. This error usually means Premiere Pro cannot finish rendering because your disk is full or there isn't enough free space on the drive you're exporting to. In this video, I'll show you 3 simple fixes that can help you get past the error quickly and safely. And if this tutorial helps, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more Premiere Pro troubleshooting guides. Let's get started. First, before making any changes, close your current project properly. Go to File, then Close, and save your work if Premiere asks you to. This step helps make sure Premiere Pro isn't still using files in the background while you clean things up. Once the project is closed, we can move on to clearing the cache. Next, go to Edit, then Preferences, and choose Media Cache. In this menu, you'll see an option to delete media cache of files. Click Delete and remove the cache files to free up space. Media cache can build up over time and take up a surprising amount of storage, especially on larger editing projects. After deleting the cache, Premiere Pro may need to restart, so allow it to do that if prompted. Once it reopens, try exporting again and see if the error is gone. If you still get the export error, the next thing to check is your export destination. Sometimes the problem isn't the project itself, it's simply that the drive you're exporting to doesn't have enough free space. In the Export tab, look for the blue link next to the file name. Click that blue link and choose a different save location with enough available storage. For best results, pick a drive or folder with plenty of free space, especially if you're exporting a long video or a high-resolution file. Then try the export again. If you're using Windows, another quick way to free up space is to empty the recycle bin. Right-click the recycle bin on your desktop and select Empty Recycle Bin. This can instantly recover a lot of storage if you've recently deleted large files. It's a simple step, but it can make the difference when Premiere Pro is running into a disk space limit. After that, return to Premiere Pro and test your export once more. In many cases, these steps are enough to fix export error code 4 because they directly address the most common cause, not having enough disk space for rendering and exporting. If the issue still happens, you may want to check for other large files on your system, move unused footage to another drive, or clear more storage before trying again. So to recap, if you get Premiere Pro export error code 4, first close your project and delete the media cache, then change the export destination to a drive with more free space, and finally empty the recycle bin to reclaim extra storage. These are fast, practical fixes that can save you a lot of frustration. If this video helped you out, please hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss more Adobe Premiere Pro tips and fixes. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.